Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what Rufus needs and why it matters. Plug a clean USB 8 GB or larger and make sure you backed up any files. Rufus will overwrite it. Open Rufus Portable so you don't install anything system-wide. Click Select and choose the Windows 11 ISO you downloaded. Rufus inspects it to set recommended options. Once done, pick the target device and confirm partition scheme, GPT for UEFI, MBR for legacy. This primes the tool to create a bootable installer correctly. Now configure Rufus so the installer boots and installs. Set partition scheme to GPT for modern UEFI systems. Choose MBR only if you must boot legacy BIOS. For file system, pick NTFS if the ISO contains an oversized install. WIM, choose FAT32 if you need pure UEFI firmware compatibility. Rufus can automatically split files when necessary. Select the standard Windows installation image option and review advanced options only if you know the effect. Make sure volume label is clear, then press Start to begin writing. When you hit Start, Rufus will warn about data loss. Confirm and let it write the image. This can take several minutes. Once Rufus shows ready, safely eject the drive and plug it into the target PC. Enter the boot menu or firmware settings and choose the USB UEFI entry. Make sure Secure Boot and TPM match Windows 11 requirements or temporarily disable Secure Boot if the installer won't start. If boot fails, try a different USB port, prefer USB 2.0, recreate the media with GPT/FAT32 and recheck firmware boot order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.